Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert seconds to hours Excel. We are going to open the Excel file where you will find the seconds you want to convert. Now in the respective cell, you are going to enter the equal sign, then the cell where the seconds are located, enter the division sign, and the value 3,600, which is the number of seconds in an hour. Press Enter to see the conversion from seconds to hours. You can drag this cell down to show all the results. Now select all the cells with the results and click on the decrease decimal button to adjust the data context. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.